Here's a quick video on how to replace a battery in your Volkswagen key fob. You're going to need one of the 2032 batteries. You can get these off Amazon. I've put a link below in the description. I'll take it straight there. I'm also going to be using a small flat tip screwdriver. This isn't mandatory, but it definitely is helpful. So what you want to do first is remove this mechanical key. Do that by sliding this over, this little latch right here, and then taking your fingernail and sliding that out. Now you can take the screwdriver, the key, and just stick it in just a little bit, and that'll be able to pop your back cover off. Or you can use a really small screwdriver, the thinner the better. Just get it in there and pry that off. Now take your screwdriver, pop out your dead battery. Make sure you place your new one positive side facing upward and it gets under those two lips. Put this back cover back on. Put your key in. Make sure you got your red light and you're all set. No need to reprogram. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button.